Welcome to the 23 Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. And this is the 23 Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Ahly 0, CAF Champions League. My brother, how's it?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your take on the game today?
My take was the coach changed.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't start the game like that. You've been playing a consistent formation and then abruptly you just start changing the formation. So I was expecting the same formation that he usually plays.
Yeah.
Because he's been profiting from it, getting goals from it. But now he started with repairs on the wing, Matthews on the wing, Shalulile.
Yeah.
So, but
Reina's on the bench,
but so Matthews was a bit off form. As you can see, like he hasn't been getting game time, so he was a bit off form. Slow, sluggish, the movement, his passing, giving away possession. And I want to say our midfield also today never came to the party.
Yeah.
As you can see, when Themba Zwane comes on, like the whole team changes.
Exactly,
He shows them how to cheat into tight spaces. So, but then these guys, I don't know what's going on with them. Like, I don't know if it's the motivation. They don't have the motivation to play or what. Like, the whole team just looked a bit sluggish. In the first half, also, until there were changes made in the second half. So, what I'm saying is, we have to trust our local players. Let's give them a chance. We have good players, local players like Themba Zwane. And we could put in more local play. Give them a chance so they can learn also from Themba Zwane and represent the country. So Ribeiro also, I was disappointed. It's not the Ribeiro that we know. Ribeiro is like his ball control. I don't know what was going on. His ball control was just loose. He was showing too much of the ball.
No first touch.
And he won.
No first touch.
First touch wasn't that good. So he was also trying to dribble away. He just needs to make a simple pass. So I think they must just clear the mistakes that they made today. But he mustn't be selfish. Ribeiro, he likes running with the ball too much instead of making simple passes sometimes. So I hope they can rectify that. So I'm saying, like, the second leg, they should play the same formation with Shalulile, Reines, and who's this? Ribeiro. And play two defensive midfielders. Play Themba Zwane in the middle. So that's what I'm.
With Mukwena.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like, sacrifice one midfielder for Themba Zwane so we can get an away goal. If we don't get an away goal, it's hard. It's really hard. I mean, penalties. We know that Sundowns, it's not really that good with penalties, So if second leg we can just manage to get a goal, even if it stays 1-1, we still win. So we just need one goal. So we're just going to need one goal the second leg. But what I'm saying is Themba Zwane was better than the whole team. I have to say that because I don't know what's going on with these players. He's the one who's carrying the team. I thought Ribeiro could do that, but he couldn't do that. So he wants to be the player of the season, so I don't know what's going on. So he must change his mindset of him always trying to dribble, think he's going to score alone. So he must play with the team.
Thank you so much, brother. All the best going to the second round.
Okay, no, thanks.